In this video, you'll learn how to use Bluehost SEO tools to boost traffic by making sure your technical setup isn't holding you back. Technical errors can quietly act like a ceiling on your traffic, limiting how much search engines can see and rank your content, even if your content itself is great. So in this tutorial, we're going to focus on one simple but powerful feature that Bluehost helps you with automatically, your XML sitemap. An XML sitemap is basically a structured list of your important pages that's created specifically for search engines. Think of it as a roadmap that tells Google which pages exist on your site, how they're organized, and how often they're updated. When your sitemap is set up correctly and submitted, it makes it much easier for search engines to crawl and index your content, especially if your site is new, large, or has a complex structure. The good news is that if you're using Bluehost with WordPress and the Yoast SEO plugin, most of the heavy lifting is already done for you. Bluehost automatically generates your XML sitemap and submits it to Google for you in the background. That means you don't have to manually create files or log into search consoles to upload them. But it is important to verify that everything is working properly, because if your sitemap is disabled or misconfigured, search engines may miss important pages on your site. To check this, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard that's connected to your Bluehost hosting account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Yoast SEO menu in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it at first glance, it's usually listed simply as SEO. Click on that and then select General from the submenu. Inside the Yoast SEO General settings, you'll see several tabs along the top. Click on the one labeled Features. This is where Yoast controls a number of automated tools, including your XML sitemap. Take a moment to scroll down the list of features until you find the one labeled XML sitemaps. Here, you want to make sure that the XML sitemaps feature is turned on. If it's enabled, you should see a toggle set to on. If for some reason it's turned off, switch it on and then save your changes. With this enabled, Yoast and Bluehost work together to generate a sitemap for your site automatically. If you want to double check that the sitemap exists, Yoast usually provides a link right next to that feature. You can click the link to open the sitemap in a new browser tab. You'll see a simple structured list of sitemap files rather than a normal web page. That's completely normal, and it's exactly what search engines expect to see. Because Bluehost handles the submission to Google behind the scenes, there's nothing else you need to configure here. Just by confirming that your XML sitemaps are active in Yoast SEO, you're ensuring that search engines have a clear and accurate map of your site. Over time, this helps your pages get discovered more consistently, supports better indexing, and removes one common technical barrier that can cap your organic traffic. So to recap, the key step is to verify that your XML sitemaps are enabled under Yoast SEO in the general settings inside the Features tab. With that in place, you're using Bluehost's built-in SEO tools to give search engines the roadmap they need, and you're one step closer to unlocking more traffic for your site.